crafting friends, Tracy here. Does gift giving give you a bit of anxiety like it does me? Maybe your budget's small that year, or you want to just give that special someone something memorable that they're going to love and cherish for years to come. I remember when my grandmother had to downsize from her home to a nursing home, she didn't have a lot of space to store things, but she still liked to celebrate her holidays. I think that these DIY gift ideas in this video are the perfect option. So let's go ahead and get started. For DIY number 1, we're going to start with this 4-pack of glass ornaments from Hobby Lobby. They measure 4 inches in diameter. I've also seen these exact ornaments in a shatterproof form at the Dollar Tree. We're going to remove one of the ornaments, then we're going to print out our favorite family photos on a piece of printer paper. Once we have that done, we're then going to lay our ornament over the photos to see which one we prefer. Once we figure that out, then we're going to just take a pair of regular scissors and cut it down to fit inside the ornament. And once we have it cut down, we'll just roll it into a tube form and slide it inside the ornament. Once we have our photo rolled up and inserted into our ornament, we're then going to come in with either a pencil or maybe the end of a paintbrush, and we're going to straighten out our photo inside our ornament. I think it's already looking adorable. Now we're moving on to our next step, and that's going to be adding some faux snow to the inside of our ornament. I purchased this snow at Hobby Lobby and I have gotten a lot of use out of it. I've had it for a couple years. It's really beautiful snow. We just put it out on a piece of printer paper or notebook paper and fold it, making a little point at the end so you can direct the snow inside the ornament. And once the snow is inside the ornament, we're then going to adjust our photo so we can fill the back side of our photo with snow as well. And this whole time, we're just going to keep sticking in our pencil or the end of a paintbrush, whatever you have, and keep adjusting our photo so we have the right amount of snow ratio to our photo. Then we're going to come in with our favorite ribbon. I'm going to be using some of this cream and red gingham ribbon, along with this satin gold ribbon I purchased from the Dollar Tree. We're just going to make a simple shoestring bow with both ribbons. And then attach it to the top of our ornament. I then come in with my red and cream colored gingham ribbon and make a hanger. And now the embellishment part is up to you, but I brought in one of these tags I purchased from Hobby Lobby. It's just a little gift tag and it's kind of a stiff cardboard, and I cut off the Merry Christmas and glued it to the top part of my ornament. I love working with gift tags. They are so much fun to craft with, I think. I also love personalized ornaments. I think they make perfect gifts, especially on a budget. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. We'd love to have you here at Sweet Bay Lane. And once I have that glued on, we have an adorable little ornament. Look at little me in the snow. Oh, it's so cute. Now we're moving on to DIY number 2. And for this DIY, we're going to need some of those beautiful live edge wood discs. Now I've seen them at Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, Walmart. I've pretty much seen them everywhere. They also have them on Amazon, but I purchased these at Lowe's in their holiday section. Now that we have our wood discs picked out, we're now going to come in and print out some family photos on a piece of printer paper. And you can do this next step one of two ways. You can put the disc actually on the front of the photo and maybe trace around the wood disc, which is what I'm going to do, or you can put the photo on top of the wood disc and just make a little indentation with your fingers around the outer edge of the disc. Then cut that out. And once we have our photos cut out to fit our wood discs, we're then going to come in with this matte Mod Podge. And I put Mod Podge on both the back of my photograph and a little bit on the disc itself. Once we have them adhered down to our wood disc, we're then going to come in and add a coat of Mod Podge to the top of our photographs. Now mine are printed on the regular ink printer, just a home ink printer, so I made sure not to go over them too many times in one spot with my Mod Podge, just to avoid blurring the ink. Once we have the Mod Podge on and it's dried completely, we're then going to come in with a pencil tip or whatever you have on hand, and we're going to poke out our hole in our ornament that we covered with the paper photograph. And once we have that done, we're then just going to add our embellishments. I'm going to be using this cream and red twine that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Once I have my twine hangers on, I then come in with a strand of the red and cream twine along with a regular natural twine and a piece of raffia. I tie that in a simple bow and then add it to my ornaments. I love how these ornaments came out. I've been wanting to make these for quite a while and thought I'd make them with you guys. I think they turned out adorable. I can't wait to give them as gifts. Now this photo is me and my brother and my grandfather Riley. And then the other one is me and my little brother. How cute is he?